I've been dancing almost my entire life. I started dancing at 3 years old, choreographing when I was about 12 or 13, and I managed somehow to make a career out of it, which has been my lifelong dream.
And Claudia Schreier does it well. She's choreographed more than 24 ballets and been commissioned at least 12 times by companies like the American Ballet Theatre, the Ailey School, and the Vail Dance Festival. Her latest work is not only a collaboration between American Evolution and the Virginia Arts Festival, but between Schreier and music composer Jessie Montgomery, who created the original score for the ballet titled Passage.
She and I aligned artistically immediately, and I was really drawn to her work. It made sense in a lot of ways because I am a woman of color creating ballet. Jessie is a woman of color looking to expand her music in new ways. We're creating work for this historic Black dance company that has transformed American ballet and ballet across the world, truly. And so merely by existing and being able to say that we are creating this project together, It is kind of the tip of the iceberg in terms of what it represents historically.
The events that occurred in 1619 profoundly shaped the nation, from the meeting of the first Legislative Assembly to the arrival of the first Africans in English-speaking North America.
We never wanted to create a work that explicitly reflected the historical events of the commemoration. I think that's very heavy, and no one can really ever encompass that fully. But to be able to draw upon the themes that have taken us to where we are today became our kind of North Star for doing this.
Passage will be performed by 12 dancers from the company, 6 women and 6 men, all dancing to a musical score that will be performed by Jessie Montgomery and her quartet, aided by additional musicians from Norfolk. The world premiere of Passage begins tonight, May 3rd, and runs through May 5th at Norfolk's Chrysler Hall.